Yo, tech crew, buckle up. OpenAI just dropped a bombshell that's turning ChatGPT into your ultimate AI sidekick. It's called the memory upgrade, and it's making conversations smarter, creepier, and way more personal. Is this the future of AI? Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into how ChatGPT's memory is changing everything. Here's the deal. ChatGPT used to have a short memory, forgetting most of your chats after a session. But on April 10th, 2025, OpenAI flipped the script. Now, ChatGPT can remember every single conversation you've ever had with it, forever. From your coffee order to your coding struggles, it's like having a digital best friend who never forgets. CEO Sam Altman called it a surprisingly great feature that's paving the way for AI that knows you better than you know yourself. So, how does it work? ChatGPT now has two memory modes. First, saved memories, where you tell it stuff like, "Yo, I'm vegan, don't suggest burgers." Second, the new reference chat history, which auto-recalls all your past chats to make replies super personalized. Ask about a trip to Japan you mentioned months ago? Boom, it remembers your vibe, budget, even that you hate crowded spots. It's rolling out to Plus and Pro users now for $20 to $200 a month, with Team and Enterprise users up next. Sorry, free users. You're stuck with basic memory for now. Check this out. I asked for a dinner plan, and ChatGPT remembered I'm into spicy vegan food from a random chat 3 months ago. It's like it's stalking my taste buds, in a good way. For productivity, it's a game changer. Marketers can keep brand voices consistent. Coders can revisit old projects without re-explaining. And students can get tutoring that tracks their learning style across weeks. OpenAI says it's like turning ChatGPT from a one-off tool into a long-term assistant. But hold up, there's a catch. This memory upgrade is raising big questions. Privacy, for one. ChatGPT's storing your entire chat history on OpenAI's servers, and if someone hacks your account, they could dig up personal details with a simple prompt like, "Tell me about this user." Ex-users are freaking out, with some calling it convenient but scary. Plus, you can't tweak what it remembers in chat history mode. It's all or nothing. Want out? You can disable memory or use temporary chat mode for incognito vibes. But even then, OpenAI might use your data to train models unless you opt out. Oh, and it's not available in the EU or UK yet, probably because of their strict privacy laws. The future? This is just the start. Altman's hyping AI systems that get to know you over your life. Imagine ChatGPT as your personal coach, therapist, or creative partner. Riffing off years of chats, it's already outpacing rivals like Google's Gemini, which has similar memory features, but less buzz. But the more it remembers, the more it feels human. Some X posts even say it's giving Her vibes, that sci-fi movie where the guy falls for his AI. Creepy or cool? Here's the kicker. This upgrade makes ChatGPT a productivity beast. I tested it, told it I'm a YouTuber, and it started tailoring scripts to my style without me repeating details. But you gotta manage it. Go to Settings, greater than personalization, greater than memory, to delete specific memories or clear everything. Pro tip: ask ChatGPT, "What do you remember about me?" to see what's stored. It's like peeking into its brain. So, is ChatGPT's memory upgrade a privacy nightmare or the future of conversations? You tell me in the comments. Want to try it? Head to chat.openai.com or grab the app on iOS or Android. Like, subscribe, and share this vid to join the AI revolution. Next up, GPT 4.1 versus the world. Catch you in the next one.